Warm a pan. Heat a skillet over medium heat and add a little butter or oil. Work of the parts. Add tortilla. Place one tortilla on the pan. Add cheese and chicken. Sprinkle cheese evenly, then add shredded chicken. Top with second tortilla. Place another tortilla on top. Cook for about 2-3 minutes until golden, then gently flip and cook the other side. Slice and serve. Remove, slice into wedges, and serve with salsa or yogurt dip. Season chicken for flavor. In a bowl, mix chicken with lemon juice, salt, black pepper, and paprika. Wash broccoli, zucchini, bell pepper, cut into bite-sized pieces. Cut chicken into strips. Heat olive oil in pan. Place pan on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add seasoned chicken to hot pan. Cook within 5-6 minutes until golden. Add minced garlic. Then add broccoli, zucchini, and bell pepper. Sauté vegetables with chicken. Stir for 4 to 5 minutes until veggies are tender crisp. Squeeze lemon, serve hot. Turn off heat, squeeze extra lemon on top, and serve warm. Step 1. Wash and slice the apple. Cut into round slices and remove the seeds.
Step 2. Prevent browning. Add a few drops lemon juice on the apple slices.
Step 3. Spread nut butter. Spread peanut butter or almond butter on 1 apple slice. Step 4. Add topping. Add honey or a pinch of cinnamon if desired. Step 5. Make sandwich. Cover with another apple slice to make a sandwich. Step 6. Pack lunchbox. Pack the apple sandwiches neatly in the lunchbox.
Peel the banana and gather all ingredients.
Pour milk into a blender jar.
Add banana pieces and peeled almonds into the blender. Add chia seeds, honey, and cinnamon powder. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and serve immediately.
Prepare the base cook oats and milk on low flame for 5 minutes until soft. Add fresh fruits, add banana and strawberries on top of oats. Add nuts and seeds. Add nuts, sprinkle almonds, walnuts and chia seeds. Sweeten naturally drizzle. Honey and mix gently. Ready to serve. Ready to serve. The base cook oats and milk on low flame for 5 minutes until soft. Add fresh fruits, add banana and strawberries on top of oats. Add nuts and seeds. Add nuts, sprinkle almonds, walnuts and chia seeds. Sweeten naturally drizzle. Honey and mix gently. Ready to serve. Ready to serve. Prepare the base cook oats and milk on low flame for 5 minutes until soft. Add fresh fruits, add banana and strawberries on top of oats. Add nuts and seeds. Add nuts, sprinkle almonds, walnuts and chia seeds. Sweeten naturally drizzle. Honey and mix gently. Ready to serve. Ready to serve.
Looking for a healthy weight-controlled drink? This green protein smoothie is perfect for girls aged 10 to 20. Spinach helps burn fat naturally. Green apple supports
Step 1. Warm the water. Take 1 glass of warm water, not hot. Step 2. Add lemon juice. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into the water. Step 3. Add freshly grated ginger and mix well. Step 4. Add soaked chia seeds. Step 5. Sweeten naturally optional. Add honey if needed and stir gently. 6. Drink fresh. Drink slowly on an empty stomach. Season chicken breasts with salt, black pepper, and paprika. This adds flavor and prepares the chicken for cooking. olive oil in a pan and fry the chicken until golden. Cook both sides evenly, then remove and set aside sun-dried tomatoes to the same pan. Sauté briefly until fragrant and lightly soft. Pour in cream and chicken broth, then add parmesan. Stir well to create a smooth, rich sauce. Place the chicken back into the sauce. Simmer gently until fully cooked and tender. Top with fresh parsley or basil. Serve hot with pasta, rice, or bread. This dish tastes best with pasta or garlic bread and is perfect for family dinners or special occasions.